Kabbalah's enduring fascination and captivation of curious minds over the centuries can be attributed to its profound mysticism, universal relevance, and the rich tapestry of symbolism and imagery it weaves. Rooted in the deep exploration of the spiritual realm and the nature of divinity, Kabbalah beckons seekers from all walks of life with its promise of profound insights into existence, God, and the cosmos. Its timeless allure lies in the intricate concepts it introduces, such as the Tree of Life, Gematria, and the Sephiroth, each inviting intellectual exploration and spiritual revelation. Moreover, practical applications of Kabbalah offer tangible benefits to those in search of solutions to life's challenges, bridging the gap between esoteric wisdom and everyday life. Its historical significance is undeniable, and its influence has left an indelible mark on various religious and philosophical traditions. Its adaptability and evolution over centuries has kept it relevant, ensuring that each new generation of curious minds finds within it a profound and ever-engaging source of intellectual stimulation and spiritual enrichment. Ultimately, Kabbalah is an invitation to embark on a timeless journey of self-discovery, mystical experience, and deeper communion with the divine. Please comment, like, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's dive in. The Tree of Life, a central and deeply mystical concept in Kabbalah, represents a cosmic blueprint that maps the divine emanations and the interconnectedness of all existence. Comprising 10 Sephiroth or spheres, it mirrors the architecture of the universe and serves as a potent symbol of spiritual ascent. Each Sephiroth embodies distinct attributes, from the unknowable divine source to the earthly realm. The tree invites seekers to ascend its branches through contemplation and meditation, allowing one to traverse the realms, balance opposing forces, and ultimately attain a profound understanding of the divine, the self, and the intricate web of existence. Its profound mysticism lies in the belief that by exploring this celestial roadmap, one can unlock the secrets of creation, revealing the eternal connection between the divine and the material, and facilitating a transformative journey towards spiritual enlightenment. The cosmos is divided into 4 interconnected worlds, each serving as a distinct facet of the intricate relationship between the spiritual and the physical. The first of these worlds is emanation, the realm closest to the divine source. Here the divine emanations exist in their purest and most elevated form, devoid of materiality. This world, called Atzilut, meaning the world of pure spirit or emanation, is like the blueprint of creation, where the essence of the divine first manifests and the divine attributes such as wisdom and compassion take their transcendent shape. Moving into the second world, creation, or Baraya, we witness the initial stages of the creative process. Divine energy begins to take on a form capable of interaction with the material world. This world is akin to the transition from an abstract idea to a tangible plan, where angels and spiritual beings come into existence as intermediaries between the divine and the lower realms. The third world, formation, or Yetzirah, represents a stage where divine energy continues to evolve and take shape. It's comparable to an artist refining the intricate details of a masterpiece. In Yetzirah, the archetypal forms of everything that will exist in the material world are created. It's a realm of blueprints and spiritual molds, setting the stage for materialization. Finally, the fourth world, action, or Asiya, is where divine energy reaches its most concrete manifestation in the material world that we perceive with our senses. It's the realm of physicality, encompassing our bodies, the earth, and all material objects. Here everything tangible and concrete takes form, and we encounter the physical universe in all its complexity. These four interconnected worlds in Kabbalah offer a profound framework for understanding the flow of divine energy from its highest, most abstract state to its most tangible manifestation in the material. Gematria is a captivating and ancient practice within Kabbalah that unveils hidden meanings within Hebrew words and concepts by assigning numerical values to letters. It's akin to discovering a secret code hidden within language, where each letter holds a specific numerical value and significance. Imagine words as having a dual nature, their surface meaning and a hidden numerical value. Torah, representing sacred Jewish teachings, totals 606, signifying the completeness of its wisdom. Elohim, a name for God, yields 36, representing hidden aspects of the divine. Tikkun Olam, or repairing the world, equals 656, reflecting the idea of improving the world through righteous actions. Shalom, meaning peace, totals 376, symbolizing the aspiration for inner and outer peace. The name of God, YHVH, adds up to 26, representing divine unity. Chai, meaning life, equals 18, symbolizing blessings. Echad, meaning one, sums to 13, emphasizing unity. The list goes on. Gematria invites us to approach language, numbers, and spirituality with a sense of curiosity and a willingness to uncover hidden meanings. It reminds us that even in everyday words, there can be profound insights waiting to be discovered. Now imagine the Zohar as an enigmatic tome, often hailed as the Book of Splendor. It stands as a mystical companion, illuminating the intricate depths of the Torah, the cornerstone of Jewish sacred literature. However, the Zohar holds within its pages a guiding principle. The beginning of wisdom is the fear of the Lord. This phrase isn't about fear in the conventional sense, rather an invitation to approach the divine with deep respect and profound reverence, as if you were standing in the presence of the universe's most profound mysteries. It expounds on the nature of God, introducing the concept of Ein Sof, the infinite divine source. It elucidates the Sephiroth, 10 attributes through which God interacts with the world, fostering an understanding of cosmic order. Emphasizing pure intent, it highlights the unity of all souls, encouraging compassion. Ein Sof represents the ineffable, infinite source of God, while the 10 Sephiroth provide a structured system to grasp and contemplate the divine's various attributes and their role in shaping the universe. This concept is fundamental in Kabbalah, offering profound insights into the interconnectedness of all things and the divine order governing existence. Now let's explore practical applications of the Kabbalah and where these teachings get applied in real life. As we delve deeper into Kabbalah, we encounter a rich collection of meditative and visualization techniques. Think of these as windows that open a door to a deeper connection with something greater than ourselves. Much like gazing out into a breathtaking landscape, these techniques aren't just abstract ideas, they're like portals that allow you to immerse yourself in a sense of oneness with the world and embark on an inner journey into your own thoughts and feelings. These practices aren't complex. They're like a bridge to experience the sacred in a personal and deeply meaningful way. So, as you find a tranquil setting and assume a comfortable posture, you are aligning yourself with Kabbalah's emphasis on the harmony between the inner and outer worlds. This is the first step towards understanding the interconnectedness that Kabbalah so beautifully articulates. Closing your eyes and taking deliberate, unhurried breaths is akin to opening the door to a realm where the distractions of the external world are gently set aside, mirroring Kabbalah's invitation to turn inward, to delve into the depths of one's own consciousness in search of divine truth. Visualizing a serene and sacred landscape echoes the Kabbalistic concept of the Tree of Life, which is not just a symbol, but a profound map of the divine emanations and the interconnectedness of all existence. It is a visual representation of Kabbalah's belief that the material world and spiritual world are intimately linked. By immersing yourself in this imagined haven, you are, in a sense, following the path of Kabbalistic meditation. As boundaries dissolve and you feel a sense of unity with the world, the divine, or the cosmos, you are embodying Kabbalah's central teaching of interconnectedness. Again, the tree of life itself is a symbolic representation of how all aspects of existence are interconnected and emanate from a common source. Different Kabbalistic schools, like Lurianic, Hasidic, and Hermetic Kabbalah, have unique teachings. Lurianic Kabbalah emphasizes cosmic repair and creation's mysteries. Hasidic Kabbalah stresses joyful worship, personal connection with God, and individual spiritual experiences. While Hermetic Kabbalah blends Kabbalistic ideas with Western esoteric traditions and has influenced Western mysticism. These schools cater to diverse spiritual preferences and offer distinct approaches to Kabbalah's teachings. And to wrap this up, Kabbalah ventures into the realm of reincarnation, suggesting that souls may undergo multiple lifetimes in their pursuit of fulfilling their spiritual purpose. This concept transcends religious affiliations and opens doors to a broader understanding of the soul's journey across the spectrum of human experience. So, Kabbalah acts as a comprehensive roadmap, leading seekers to the depths of life's mysteries and spiritual understanding. Whether one finds resonance in the symbolism of the tree of life and the Sephiroth, meditation and connecting to the universe, exploring numerical symbolism, engaging with the profound teachings of the Zohar, seeking practical wisdom, or embracing life's universal truths, Kabbalah beckons with an invitation to enlightenment, a journey of self-discovery where one can effortlessly unravel the radiant truths of their spiritual path. Humanfluence, out.